Hello everyone! How are you? My name is Aline. In this video, I'll share all the details about the natural supplement Fungus Break Pro. If you're struggling with nail fungus, brittle or discolored nails and want to restore healthy and strong nails, watch this video to find out if Fungus Break Pro is worth buying. Like many people, I suffered from stubborn nail fungus for years. It started as a small yellowish spot on my toenail, but over time, the infection spread, making my nails thick, brittle, and embarrassing to show. I tried different treatments, but nothing seemed to work long-term. I felt frustrated and self-conscious, especially in social situations where I had to expose my feet. That's when I discovered Fungus Break Pro, a natural supplement designed to combat fungal infections from the inside out. Unlike topical treatments that only provide temporary relief, this formula works at the root of the problem by strengthening the immune system and eliminating fungal overgrowth in the body. I decided to give it a try, and let me tell you, I do not regret purchasing the original Fungus Break Pro. It's an incredible product. Oh, and it's extremely important that if you're thinking about buying Fungus Break Pro, go directly to the official webpage because nowadays you have to be careful when buying things online. There are many people trying to take advantage, you know? So I'll leave the link here in the description and in the first pinned comment. This is their official webpage. If you want to buy the real Fungus Break Pro, go directly to the official page I provided. There you can make a safe and reliable purchase without future frustrations. Fungus Break Pro is a 100% natural supplement with a powerful formula that combines high-quality, natural and non-GMO ingredients. Its primary focus is to eliminate fungal infections, promote healthy nail growth, and strengthen immunity to prevent reinfection. Additionally, it helps reduce inflammation, improve skin and nail appearance, and supports overall foot health. So yes, you can trust this product. Fungus Break Pro is natural and has no side effects. Many people like me are experiencing amazing results with Fungus Break Pro, and you can too. However, you need to keep in mind that everybody reacts in a unique way. This may seem obvious, but I'm saying this so that you have realistic expectations about the treatment. On the official page, you can find all the information about Fungus Break Pro. If you're thinking about purchasing, I recommend going to the official website, choosing the number of bottles you want, and filling out the necessary information. It's simple, safe, and fast. The website is completely secure, has SSL certification, is encrypted, and uses cutting-edge technology to ensure the security of your data. And Fungus Break Pro comes with a guarantee. You can test Fungus Break Pro for 30 days. And if you don't see results or don't like it for any reason, they will refund your money. It is essential to take the treatment seriously to achieve the best results. Apply 1 drop of the product to the base of each nail and gently massage into the cuticle and surrounding skin until fully absorbed. Initial results can be observed within the first month, but it is ideal to use the product for at least 3 months to achieve even more lasting benefits. I hope my story inspires you to take the first step toward healthy, fungus-free nails. If you have any questions or want to share your experience, leave them in the comments and I'll be happy to help.